CPC. Your CPC should be high if you want to get. Now here you can see the payment I have already received, and payment received on a Nigerian bank account. You can see the Nigerian bank account, and you get 4 clicks, you will earn $20. Okay, so hey guys, welcome to my channel. If your AdSense is looking like this, and if you want to result like this, you are on the right place, because this is a CPC masterclass. Today I will guide you how you can increase your CPC and your RPM. Also I will guide you each and everything how you can grow your AdSense from this AdSense to this AdSense. So the first thing you have to focus on four things. First one is CPC. Your CPC should be high if you want to get, this time is very hard for website owners, because CPC is not increased visitor as you have less visitor. So how you can increase your CPC with less page views, less impressions, you will earn money and a good. And the second is CTR. If your CTR is high, your AdSense will be disabled. So always remember your CTR will be less than 4% or 5%. This AdSense have only 6 clicks. Okay, only 6 clicks. Before we start this video, please subscribe my channel. And if you want to get AdSense approval for Blogger or WordPress site, or you want to AdSense loading services, even you want to learn AdSense loading with complete tools, complete methods, even you want to do CPM work on your monetized YouTube channel without any effect on your channel, even you want YouTube watch time, complete course or services for YouTube watch time, you can contact me, number on screen. We provide these services, also we provide the courses as well. Let's have calculator. By the way, this payment is received today. I will show you the payment receipt, and this is a calculator. Okay, 9 divided by 6. Okay, so you can see the payment here and here. So how I achieve this amount, how I increase CPC, watch this video till the end, because this is a master class of CPC. So look, the first thing you have to understand that this website is looking like this. Okay, so what is the change between this AdSense and that AdSense? I will show you the payment. Now here you can see the payment I have already received, and payment received on a Nigerian bank account. You can see the Nigerian bank account. This is the AdSense account by Nigerian. If you see the last month payments, the April month, it's only $11. In May you can see $331. Okay, so this is a May month payment, and this month payment is $425. So this money is already received in a bank account. Okay, so always remember, no matter your AdSense from Nigeria, from any other country, from Pakistan, India, or any other country, if you follow the step that I am going to share with you, you will increase your earning up to 10%.